You are about to enter the Peter Schiff Show.
I read this article the other day about the Obama administration was coming out with their forecasts of how much a basic health plan would cost, I think, by 2015. One that you would have to buy in order to avoid being fined for not buying it. And according to the Obama administration, the cheapest plan that would be available for a family of four would be $20,000 a year. $20,000 a year for a typical American family of four. The median income for the typical family of four is only about $50,000, maybe more if they got a two-income household. How are they going to afford $20,000 just for health care? That's it. They haven't even paid their rent yet. They haven't even paid their taxes yet. Haven't even paid for their student loans or whatever else they have. They haven't put food on the table. $20,000 for health insurance? That's assuming they don't even get sick. That's a healthy person. Who's going to pay that? Of course, they're just going to pay the fine, which is much lower. But they're going to have to jack these fines up, though, in order to convince anybody, because who's going to spend $20,000 on health insurance when you're healthy, when you can just pay a $1,200 fine not to have to do it? Which means that the people who do buy health insurance are going to have to pay even more than the $20,000. That number's probably low because so many healthy people aren't going to pay anything. How are the health insurance companies going to make up for the loss of revenue? They're going to have to stick it to the people that are still buying the insurance. So, their numbers are probably up. But the fact that Obama administration can come out with these numbers and act like it's no big deal, you'd think that they would think, oh, gee, this is a disaster. What are we doing wrong? We can't afford $20,000 per household in health insurance, but you want these kind of costs to be going down. Why are we celebrating rising home prices? How is that a good thing? Why don't we just celebrate rising food prices too and rising gasoline prices? No, some people are foolish enough to think, hey, it's good that the house is going up. Why? Because I can leverage it, because I can take out a loan, I can cash out money and spend it. That's why rising home prices are good. Well, what did that do for us in 2005 and 6? Were we better off because so many Americans treated their house as an ATM?